Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Semrush for keyword research strategy detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your preferred web browser. In the search bar, type in the URL for Semrush. Press the enter key to navigate to the Semrush homepage. Once the page fully loads, locate the login button. This button is typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button to proceed. You will now be directed to the login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your credentials. Input your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you prefer, you can select the option to show your password for clarity. Review the information to ensure accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the login button. If your credentials are correct, you will be redirected to the Semrush dashboard. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. To start your keyword research, locate the search bar on the dashboard. Input a keyword or domain related to your research. Press the enter key or click on the search icon. Your results will populate, showing a variety of metrics. Explore the different sections for comprehensive insights. You can adjust filters to narrow down your results as needed. Utilize the data provided to develop your keyword strategy. Continue experimenting with different keywords for broader analysis. When finished, consider logging out for security purposes. Navigate back to your account settings in the upper right corner. Select the option to log out from the drop-down menu. This ensures your account remains secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.